If you want high protein macaroni and cheese that will help you with your weight loss goals and to feel less hungry, I've got it for you today. I made it and I will show you how you can make it. It's very easy. Just need a few ingredients. So let's get going. Today for lunch, I found these Banza shells made from chickpeas. And they are high protein, 11 grams of protein and only 190 calories. So I'm not going to add any butter to my chickpeas to make sure that they're low fat. And they are low fat, only 3 grams with no saturated fat. And I haven't tried these before. So on the back it says why make pasta out of chickpeas. And so it explains more there with 3 times the fiber, 25% less carbs, and 50% more protein. So when I make these, I add a little bit of olive oil, and they're just a little bit foamy. Water's foamy, but I bought the shells. You can buy all different kinds of rotini or spaghetti. Penne. So I'm making the shells. I love shells and cheese, and I'll show you how I do this. The shells will get bigger as you boil them in the water. They're going to get very tender. Okay, I also, to make the mac and cheese today, I'm going to do the cheddar cheese dip by Great Value. And out of all the cheese dips at Walmart, this one is only 2.5 grams of fat. So I thought that was really good. And it doesn't have much protein, so we're going to add protein to it to make our mac and cheese. So I'm going to use pretty much the whole container. Put it in a bowl. Okay, just to make the mac and cheese a little bit fuller, I found these Margaret black-eyed peas, and they're only 5 grams of protein for half a cup. So we'll measure it out and see what half a cup is. So this is about half a cup. We put in our mac and cheese. Depends on how much. That looks about right. And so that's about a half a cup, about 5 grams of protein. And I don't ever really know. I want black-eyed peas, but they don't have much flavor, and I don't really know what to use them in besides just as a side dish. So we're going to flavor these up with mac and cheese. Okay, so our noodles are done, our shells. These look good. Okay, so we're just going to kind of ladle them out. In a big bowl. I've got some spices here in my package with my shells. Okay, we're going to mix in our black-eyed peas. Okay, we're going to add some olive oil so that it doesn't stick. This is just the organic extra virgin olive oil. Now we're going to make our cheese sauce with the buttery blend of Devotion. And it says 1 scoop is 20 grams of protein, and it's low fat. This doesn't have much flavor. It's just for savory dishes. Okay, so here's our cheese sauce. I'm going to put about half of a scoop of the buttery blend Devotion in, so we're going to get 10 grams of protein there. I just don't want to overwhelm the sauce with the protein powder taste. Okay, so we're going to mix this in. Can add a little bit of water. So we're going to add, sorry, I've got my cupcakes papers there. This is going to be delicious in our shells. Okay, so we've got this all mixed together with the protein and a little bit of water, just enough to dissolve everything in. Okay, so I poured about half of my bowl of cheese. We're going to see if this works good. So that looks good. Either half of the bowl or you can use all of the cheese, but that tastes really good with about half of it. I'm going to add a little bit of salt and pepper, and I use the Redmond real salt. I also use it for electrolytes. It's an ancient fine sea salt that I really like. It has minerals in it. So we're just going to use a pinch of it in there. All right, we're getting there. Put it in a bowl. Salt and pepper. Okay, we're also going to add some Parmesan cheese for extra flavor. And there we have it in our bowl. Our high protein macaroni and cheese. Yeah, with our black-eyed peas. And I'll show you what we used. Okay, we used our cheese sauce, cheese dip from Walmart, our black-eyed peas, our real salt, our extra virgin olive oil, our Banza chickpeas, high protein pasta shells, and our pepper and our Parmesan cheese. Hope you enjoy. And let's get eating. Soft. You can taste the black-eyed peas and the Parmesan cheese. It's so filling, and it's so healthy. It's heart healthy. It feels like I'm really eating mac and cheese. So this is a very good high protein meal for your evenings or your lunch, and it should fill you up for a couple of hours. Hope you enjoyed it and have a great day. Okay, so I wanted to show you also, after you eat your first bowl of macaroni and cheese, you can also add some chunk chicken breast that's already cooked in the can to your mac and cheese, maybe for the next day, in a bowl. And then on the third day, you could add some solid white albacore tuna. This is the wild caught, and it has so much protein. So you'd be adding an extra 26 grams of protein with the tuna. And I believe the chicken has 13 for 3 ounces. So this is very high in protein as well. So those are some good ideas for your mac and cheese. And I couldn't even finish this. This was so good, I gobbled it down, and I'm so full that I can't even finish it. So it's a great idea to make this today. Hopefully this will keep me filled for a couple of hours. And then I've got some extra cheese dip for the next day when I want to add it to my mac and cheese. So I hope you enjoyed this, and just wanted to show you these extra protein that I'm going to add this tomorrow, and then I'm going to add some more the next day, put it in my plastic container and take it to work. So this will be fabulous, and I'm feeling good and energetic and full, and I just can't wait to have some more recipes. So hope you have a phenomenal day, and I'll be back with you soon. Bye-bye.